A very good afternoon to one and all. I am Dr. Saranleen Kaur, Associate Professor in the Department of Management and Commerce at Trinity Institute of Professional Studies, Dwarka. I extend a heartfelt welcome to the dignitaries present among us. Let us now enjoy a virtual tour of Trinity Institute of Professional Studies, where the opportunities are endless. I would request Ajay sir to please share the campus view.
Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University is a state university established in the year 1998 by the government of Delhi, which is located in Dwarka, Delhi. University runs almost 50 courses and more than 120 colleges are affiliated to it, which runs according to the rules and regulations set by the university. Trinity Institute of Professional Studies was established in the year 2007 and holds 5th position in the university. Since then, it has been promoting quality education and fostering academic excellence. Courses offered at Trinity are BBA, BCA, BA JMC, BCom and BA LLB. During the pandemic, Trinity Institute of Professional Studies took the initiative and shifted to online platforms for conducting classes. A number of guest lectures, webinars, and online workshops for the students as an addition to the regular course. TIPS also used a hybrid way of teaching learning process where students were called in small groups for doubt sessions and practical assignments. No matter what the outside situation was, TIPS didn't stop working and tried always to help the students to learn and grow without any loss. TIPS has state-of-the-art infrastructure. The BJMC department has a well-equipped video studio and production control room with teleprompter, different types of lights, audio and video switcher, and HD still and video cameras. The institute also has a fully air-conditioned audio studio for audio recording and for radio journalism with talkback system, Yamaha speakers and Yamaha audio console and various recording equipments. In the post-production lab, budding editors can access Apple iMac machines with FCP and Adobe CC professional softwares. The library at TIPS is a comfortable getaway from the noise and hustle of the campus for students and faculty members alike. TIPS has 3 well-equipped computer labs with 175 computers with the latest and updated softwares like Adobe Family, InDesign and C++, Visual Studio, Java, Oracle and Tally 9.0. The Department of Law is equipped with a moot court. It is used exclusively by law students for mooting practice and to conduct moot court skills development workshop. The institute organizes TIPS eminent lecture series with esteemed speakers like Mr. Vikramjit Banerjee, Senior Advocate and Additional Solicitor General, Supreme Court of India. TIPS also organized online events like Tech Samharo 2021, which was an IT fest conducted by the CS and IT department, which helped the students to showcase their talents. Due to the pandemic, HR Conclave in association with HR Shapers was also organized online, where eminent speakers from the corporate world elaborated on various emerging HR challenges during COVID times. TIPS also organized online lecture series during the pandemic. Eminent guests like Mr. Pradeep Menon, a Dubai-based photography expert, Mr. Subhendra Ghosh, anchor and correspondent on DD News and DD India, also came on board and shared their valuable insights with the students. The institute has initiated Celebrity Talk series from last year for students to interact with experts in the field of filmmaking and media communication skills. Recently, Ms. Flora Seni and Ms. Leila Panda were in the campus. Various workshops, life skill sessions, counseling sessions, alumni interactions, eminent lecture series, value-added course, industry visits, seminars, and conferences are being conducted on regular basis to provide practical exposure to students and to reduce the industry academia gap. The college organizes various sports events such as cricket matches at IIT, powerlifting competition, and TIPS Krida. TIPS believes in the philosophy of healthy mind and in healthy body. Therefore, provides adequate facilities and guidance to students to facilitate their physical and mental health. For that, the institute also organizes immunity boosting yoga and healthy mind sessions. The feeling of social responsibility is also instilled in the institute. Vivekananda branch of Bharat Vikas Parishad, an NGO, is also run by TIPS. Sevat Society and NSS students also participate in social activities and exercises. There is also a dedicated placement cell equipped with state-of-the-art infrastructure which conducts placement drives at regular intervals with reputed multinational companies. The college has a very strong alumni network and it conducts various corporative mentorship programs for students of different courses. For more field-based exposure, TIPS also has industry tie-ups with various eminent organizations. Moreover, events such as convocation, the degree distribution ceremony, national conference, and Alveda farewell for seniors, transduction for the fresher students, and Unmid, the college fest, are also held to promote a healthy and inclusive cultural environment. The college also has various student clubs and societies as per their interests. Welcome to the world of excellence.
Thank you, sir. I now welcome a visionary, a leader, and an eloquent speaker himself, Dr. R.K. Tandon, Chairman TIPS, with a bouquet of flowers. It would have been great, sir, to present you the same in person, but nevertheless, sir, please accept our appreciation and reverence. Dr. R.K. Tandon is chairman of Trinity and Kamal Group of Institutions. He is a PhD from Jamia Millia Islamia, New Delhi. He has done Master of Physical Education and Sports Science from Indira Gandhi Institute of Physical Education and Sports Sciences, University of Delhi. He firmly believes in social work and has bagged numerous accolades for the same, to name a few: Avantika Rajiv Gandhi Excellence in Education, Peace, Tolerance and Mercy, World Environment Congress and Global Assembly Excellence Award in the field of social welfare for outstanding work. He was honored by COVID-19 Disaster Management Committee 2020 in association with Niti Aayog and Nirvilkalpa Foundation and group of NGOs with Corona Vishish Seva Samman Award 2020. I would now request Sir to kindly share his thoughts with the audience. Over to you, sir.
Good afternoon, one and all present here. On the outset, I would like to welcome all of you on behalf of Trinity Institute of Professional Studies. I am glad to welcome our distinguished speakers, Mr. Dilip Biswal, Vice President Technova Private Limited, to give insights on management and commerce. Mr. Nishant Chaturvedi, Senior Executive Editor, TV9, Bharatvarsh. He will be joining us soon to address the career path in media, and we will have Dr. Nidhi Gupta, eminent speaker, to talk about computer application domain. She is associated with Pinaxis IT Solutions and Consultants Private Limited, Noida, as a senior consultant. I am sure the speakers will enrich you and would be happy to handle your queries. I am delighted to welcome a star alumni, Miss Jigyasa Saini. She looks after talent acquisition in Paytm. And Miss Charu Sahani, HR Manager, Tata One MG, to address their experience in management department. We have Miss Priyanka Sharma. She is anchor in Z News, and Mr. Arunash Shokin, President, National Press Council. They will be sharing their journey with you. Then we have Mr. Rushil Verma, Director at YOLO Trips and Stays Private Limited. He would be connecting with us and briefing his odyssey with you in the field of computers. Dear students, I am pleased to inform that Trinity Institute of Professional Studies Dwarka is running under the umbrella of Kamal Educational and Welfare Society. This society has a vast experience of more than 40 years in the field of education. Now it is more than a decade that Trinity Dwarka is functioning for various professional undergraduate programs. The institute is NAAC accredited and has been ranked A+ grade with SFRC, Government of Delhi. Dear students, apart from state-of-the-art infrastructure, the institute is very much focused on the persons behind the book. Our faculty has won many laurels in the field of research, publications, and consultancy. The hard work of the faculty members has brought several subject toppers and university toppers for Trinity Dwarka. I am proud to share the exemplary performer, Miss Simranjeet Kaur Renu, BA JMC 2016-19 batch. She has bagged a gold medal and topped the university. I am enthralled that we switched seamlessly to the online mode. Besides academics, various activities were organized virtually, which were appreciated by the students and their parents. Apart from academics, we at TIPS Dwarka focus on many other things like corporate exposure, alumni interactions and outreach programs, industrial visits, national conferences, seminars, life skills sessions, counseling sessions and workshops, cultural and sports activities as well. We do organize PDP sessions, mentorship sessions. We organize alumni interactions, eminent lecture series, value-added courses, celebrity talk series. Interstate educational tours were there before pandemic, and I am sure that after the pandemic we would be starting such trips. Various student societies we have and clubs, like we have music society, we have ZOX, which is official dance society of TIPS. We have fashion society, that is Shaurya. Fashion society we have, and Shaurya we have a theatre society, yeah. And Swami Vivekanand Sevarth society we have. And apart from these clubs and society, we do encourage our students to come up with new ideas to have more clubs and societies for their holistic development, I am enchanted to share that our students have been placed in various companies of repute like Infosys, Wipro, Zee News, ABP News, TCS, Byju's, Concentrix, Amazon, Google, 93.5, Red FM, and many more. At Trinity Institute of Professional Studies, we firmly believe in providing quality education and follow the quote of Ron Lewis. Ensuring quality higher education is one of the most important things we can do for future generations. My dear students, now this is all about Tips Dwarka. This is all about our group and the speakers, those who are going to interact with you. What else? What else is your choice? What else is what you think is fit enough for you to choose as a career option? For that, you need to look into the syllabuses of such courses like BCA, BBA, BCom, BAGMC, BALLB, or whatever you like. What will happen when you are going to see the syllabus of these courses, which are very much available on net? Whatever university you are focusing, you can go to the website of that university and you can look into the syllabuses, and you can think, you can go deep ki what all course curriculum will be for next 3 years for yourself, and try to make judgment whether you are a fit person for that course, whether from inside you are liking to study those subjects, those modules, or you think that that is not cup of your tea. So your interest is foremost, your liking is foremost. The subject which you think that you can go deep and you can study well, you can excel, that is the subject meant for you. I tell you, my dear students, earlier this was not there, but now everything is available on net, and you are lucky enough that you can surf Google, you can surf different websites, and you can make out what is best for you, what suits your personality, what suits your interest, what you basically like, what basically you look for. Then you can choose such line. Earlier in the older generation, people used to select the subject first, then they come into their choices. But I am repeating again, you are lucky, you can certainly look into it, what all practicals are there, what all practicals and theory subjects are there in the syllabus, and do you think you can study those theory subjects? You can very well like such practicals which are going to happen in your course. If you feel so, you go ahead. I wishing you all the very best. With this I conclude. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir, for your motivational and kind words. I would now like to invite our director, Professor Dr. Barkha Bahel, with a bouquet of flowers. Dr. Barkha Bahel is Director and Professor at Trinity Institute of Professional Studies, a NAC accredited institute, affiliated to GGS IPU. She has over 3 decades of teaching, research, and administrative experience. She is a doctorate from Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University in New Delhi and MCA from Banasthali Vidyapith. She has published numerous research articles and various publications in reputed national and international journals. She has been a resource person for value-added courses, faculty development programs, and chaired sessions in conferences. Dr. Barkha Bahl has edited more than 10 conference proceedings and has undertaken various research projects. May I now invite Dr. Barkha Bahl, Director Tips, to kindly address the audience.
Thank you, Dr. Saraleen. Good afternoon, respected Chairman, Sir, Dr. R.K. Tandon, Dr. Shashi Bala, Principal, Law Department, our distinguished guests, alumni, my dear colleagues, and participants present today. Trinity Institute of Professional Studies is privileged and honored to host a webinar on professional courses after 12, opportunities and pathways. I want to extend my gratitude towards our eminent guest speakers, Mr. Nishant Chaturvedi, Dr. Nidhi Gupta, Mr. Dilip Biswal, our alumni speakers, Mr. Arunan Shokin, Jigyasa Seni, Charu Sahni, and Priyanka Sharma, all renowned professionals who have taken time out from their busy schedule to grace and enlighten all of us on the said topic. Before the commencement of various sessions, first of all, I would like to wish good luck to the students aspiring for graduation after 12th class for their excellent results, for which they have been waiting eagerly since long. Undoubtedly, the onset of ongoing pandemic has left the students and parents too in confusions and worries related to their career progression. Keeping in mind the four circumstances and to resolve these confusions, today's webinar has been organized. I am sure that it will provide all of you insight to various professional courses being offered by Trinity Institute of Professional Studies, a NAC accredited institution, which offers BBA, BCom, BCA, BA JMC, and BA LLB courses to all the students. The webinar will also resolve various doubts of the students and will provide insight to career opportunities related to these courses. The sheer competition and the nature of industry demands skilled professionals. Trinity Institute of Professional Studies prepares such professionals during the 3-year stay of the students for the particular course. The vision and mission of the institute have been in tandem with the changing needs of the society and the corporate world. To meet the current challenges in every sphere of life, it becomes imperative for all of us to accept and adapt the new ways of learning. The institute provides a stimulating and intellectually challenging environment suited to the learning needs of each individual. The institute focuses on 21st century skilling, which includes, my dear students, professional and personal skill enhancement, which is being provided by holistic development environment to all the students pursuing courses from Trinity Institute in both online and offline mode by conducting and organizing various curricular, co-curricular and extracurricular activities throughout their curriculum. The teaching pedagogies, industry collaborations, international and national knowledge partners, beyond classroom activities, multidisciplinary and holistic education fulfills the objective of New Education Policy 2020, which is being approved by Union Cabinet last July. The innovations adopted by the students, by the institution, prepares the students to stay relevant, not only nationally, but globally too. It also helps them explore their hidden talent by being part of various clubs and societies, excel academically, develop confidence, enhance their communication and collaborative skills, be a successful entrepreneur, pursue higher education nationally and internationally, socially responsible, and hence contributing towards the growth of the society. I hope that these are the features which one is looking for after 12th standard to fulfill their dreams. Institute, through its innovative pedagogies, is standing beside every student for his or her career progression. Institute also provides scholarship support to the students who are in need and also to meritorious students as per their policy. With these words, I would like to conclude by thanking our chairman, sir, for providing excellent infrastructure and facilities to provide quality education to all the students who have been admitted to Trinity Institute of Professional Studies. Thanks to all the organizing team for holding the session. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for spreading such positivity for our dear participants. I would now like to invite our alumni guest speaker, Ms. Priyanka Sharma, with a bouquet of flowers. Priyanka Sharma is an Indian television news anchor and a journalist. She is currently working with Zee News as a producer cum anchor. She has worked with many news channels like Aaj Tak and Didi Kisan. She completed her Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication from Trinity Institute of Professional Studies, Dwarka, affiliated to Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University, Delhi, and post-graduation in Mass Communication from South Campus, University of Delhi. Priyanka started her career with Aaj Tak. Before Aaj Tak, she worked as an intern for All India Radio and Navbharat Times. She has also worked for Delhi Tak YouTube channel, a YouTube channel which is run by India Today Group, where she used to provide news for the day. In 2018, she received the AIAC Excellence Award. Over to you, Ms. Priyanka.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं आपके साथ प्रियंका शर्मा। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ रोज आपकी हमारी मुलाकात होती है जी न्यूज पर। जी हाँ, और इससे पहले इंडिया टुडे ग्रुप के साथ मैं थी, तब दिल्ली आज तक, तेज आज तक पर तमाम स्टोरीज आपने मेरी देखी होगी, और उससे भी पहले डीडी किसान के साथ मैं थी। लेकिन हर कोई ये जानना चाहता है कि प्रियंका शर्मा ने आखिर बीजेएमसी कहां से की है, यानी कि बैचलर्स ऑफ जर्नलिज्म इन मास कम्युनिकेशन। तो मैं आपको बताती हूँ आज ट्रिनिटी इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ प्रोफेशनल स्टडीज द्वारका, जिसको टिप्स के नाम से भी जाना जाता है, टिप्स द्वारका। तो वहां के चेयरमैन आर.के. टंडन सर, सबसे पहले डॉक्टर आर.के. टंडन सर को मैं बहुत शुक्रिया कहना चाहूंगी। सर, आपने इस इंस्टीट्यूट में जिस तरह से फैकल्टीज को रखा हुआ है, इतना हाईली क्वालिफाइड, और उनको ये चीज बताई है कि हमें यहाँ के स्टूडेंट्स को पूरी तरह से फ्रीडम देनी है, किसी भी तरह से कोई पाबंदी नहीं लगानी है। और वो फ्रीडम किस लिए कि आप जब चाहें तब आप लैब्स में जा सकते हैं, आप जब चाहें तब उन फैकल्टीज के पास अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स लेके जा सकते हैं, कोई भी क्वेरी है वो तुरंत सॉर्ट आउट होगी। तो इसके लिए बहुत शुक्रिया। देखिए, मैं जब भी अपने कॉलेज के दिनों को याद करती हूँ, तो उन फैकल्टीज को जब मैं याद करती हूँ, तो एचओडी में मुझे पारुल मेहरा मैम याद आती हैं, जो मेरी आज भी बहुत बहुत फेवरेट हैं, क्योंकि शी वॉज वेरी सपोर्टिव थ्रू आउट। और उन्होंने जो विश्वास मुझ पर जताया था, कॉलेज में जितने भी इवेंट्स होते थे, हर एक की एंकरिंग मुझसे करवाई। ये विश्वास जब किसी स्टूडेंट पर कोई टीचर कोई प्रोफेसर दिखाता है ना तो बहुत बड़ी बात होती है, और वहीं से ना एक ऐसा कॉन्फिडेंस आता है कि यार हम सब कुछ कर सकते हैं। उस टाइम तो कॉलेज में हीरो बनना एक बहुत बड़ी बात होती है। डॉक्टर नेहा जंगाला मैम, बहुत उनका सपोर्ट रहा, बहुत अच्छा उन्होंने मुझे गाइड किया कि फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर के बाद हमें कहाँ पर इंटर्नशिप करनी चाहिए। तो मैंने प्रिंट मीडिया में इंटर्नशिप की, उसके बाद इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया में इंटर्नशिप करनी है सेकेंड ईयर में, उसके बाद फिर हमें ये देखना है कि कहाँ पर हम जॉब करना चाहते हैं, हमारा इंटरेस्ट क्या है। तो ये जो चीज़ें हैं ना, जो हमें गाइडेंस ही तो चाहिए होती है, हमें सिर्फ एक कोई राह दिखा दे कि हमें किस राह पर चलना है, ताकि हम भटके नहीं, हम डिस्ट्रैक्ट ना हो। तो इसके पीछे टिप्स की जो फैकल्टी है उनका बहुत बड़ा योगदान है। देखिए, मैं अगर नाम लूँ ना तो बहुत लंबी फेहरिस्त है। डॉक्टर ब्रह्मपाल सिंह है, प्रियंका गांधी मैम है, और बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं। लेकिन देखिए, ये भी साथ में बताया गया था कि अगर हमें फोटोग्राफी करनी है तो कैमरे को कैसे हैंडल करना है, अगर हमें रिपोर्टिंग करनी है तो फील्ड पर जाकर हमें कैसे पूरे एटमॉस्फेयर को जज करना है, फैक्ट्स को लेकर हमें कैसे बात करनी है, अगर हमें एंकरिंग करनी है तो कैमरे को फेस कैसे करना है। इसके अलावा अगर हमें आरजे बनना है तो अपनी ऑडियंस को कैसे हम एंटरटेन कर सकते हैं, और अगर प्रोड्यूसर बनना है तो हमारी कलम में कितनी ताकत हो सकती है, ये भी हमने टिप्स द्वारका से ही सीखा। इस टिप्स से ना बहुत सारी टिप्स मिली जिंदगी में, और यकीन मानिए दोस्तों, अगर आप इसका हिस्सा बनने जा रहे हैं, इस इंस्टीट्यूट का अगर आप हिस्सा बनने जा रहे हैं, तो आप अपनी जिंदगी बदलने जा रहे हैं। क्योंकि यहाँ से आपको एक ऐसी राह दिखने वाली है, एक ऐसी मंजिल पर आप पहुंचने वाले हैं जिसका शायद आप खुद को आपको अंदाजा नहीं होगा। मुझे भी नहीं था, बहुत सामान्य लड़की मैं, और जब टिप्स में आई थी बस ये सोचती थी कैसे एक मुकाम मिलेगा, कैसे एक मंजिल मिलेगी, कैसे मैं एक मीडिया का वो हिस्सा बनूंगी जहां पर मैं सबको बता सकूं कि हाँ, मेरे अंदर बहुत पैशन था। आज मैं आपके सामने खड़ी हूँ, आपको बता रही हूँ, और इसके पीछे टिप्स द्वारका का बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा है। दोस्तों, अगर आप यहाँ का हिस्सा बन गए हैं ना, तो यकीन मानिए आप इतिहास लिखने जा रहे हैं। खुद पर विश्वास रखिए, यहाँ की फैकल्टीज पर भरोसा रखिए, और लगातार इंडल्ज रहिए, पूछते रहिए मैम मुझे ये करना है, मैं बहुत कंफ्यूज हूँ, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है, आप मुझे बताइए मेरे को। क्योंकि देखिए, जिस अभी दौर से आप गुजर रहे हैं ना, यहाँ से मैं गुजर चुकी हूँ, और मुझे बहुत ज्यादा कंफ्यूजन थी मैं क्या करूँगी, लेकिन मैंने किया, और उनके पीछे सिर्फ योगदान रहा, इस इंस्टीट्यूट का बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा। यहीं से पूरी मेरी जो सोच है उसको रीशेप किया गया, मुझको विजन पता लगा कि कैसे मुझे आगे बढ़ना है, कैसे अपना खुद का अपने करियर से एक नया इतिहास लिखना है। तो दोस्तों, बस मैं आपको यही कहना चाहूंगी कि आप बिल्कुल भी नेगेटिव ना हो, सकारात्मक सोच के साथ आगे बढ़ें, और टिप्स द्वारका में आप भी झंडे गाड़ दें।
Thank you so much, Ms. Priyanka. We have with us Mr. Arunash Shokeen. He is the President, National Press Council, and founder of Natya Ustad. Mr. Shokeen is the President of National Press Council, Delhi Zone. He is the founder and director of Delhi-based theatre group and production house Natya Ustad, and the owner of Studio 245 and Studio 181. He is notable actor and personality development coach as well. Apart from this, he is the owner of popular SDCC units of South Indian food.
Welcome, Arunash.
Hi guys, I am Arunash Shokeen, alumnus of Trinity Institute of Professional Studies, batch 2010 and 13. I am a director, actor, producer, writer. I have my own production house producing a number of short films, music videos, radio and television commercials. I did my graduation in BGMC, that's Bachelor's for Journalism and Mass Communication. और इस कोर्स से ज़्यादा अच्छा कोर्स कोई हो नहीं सकता, बिकॉज इस कोर्स में जितने भी सब्जेक्ट्स हम पढ़ रहे हैं, हर सेमेस्टर में जितने भी सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ रहे हैं, हर सेमेस्टर में जितने भी नए सब्जेक्ट्स हमारे को इंट्रोड्यूस कराए जा रहे हैं, हर सब्जेक्ट अपने आप में एक फील्ड है। फिर चाहे आप रेडियो को ले लीजिए, टेलीविजन प्रोडक्शन को ले लीजिए, कैमरा को ले लीजिए, हर सब्जेक्ट अपने आप में एक पूरी की पूरी इंडस्ट्री है। इसके बाद आप आरजे बन सकते हैं, वीजे बन सकते हैं, वॉइस ओवर आर्टिस्ट बन सकते हैं मेरी तरह, आप राइटिंग में जा सकते हैं, आप मीडिया हाउसेज में जा सकते हैं, आप अपना खुद का एक सेटअप स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, आप कम्युनिटी रेडियो स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं अपना खुद का, और बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है। मतलब एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री में जितनी भी चीज़ें आपको पता है, आप देखते हैं ना, हर चीज़ कहीं ना कहीं मास कम्युनिकेशन और जर्नलिज्म से रिलेटेड है। तो सारे ऑप्शंस आपके लिए अवेलेबल है। आप एक कंटेंट राइटर बन सकते हैं, आप फ्लोर मैनेजर बन सकते हैं, कैमरे के पीछे भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें अवेलेबल होती हैं, बहुत सारी पोस्ट अवेलेबल हैं जिनमें हम काम कर सकते हैं, और वो सारे दरवाजे आपके लिए खुल जाते हैं BGMC करने के बाद। इनफैक्ट मैंने जब जर्नलिज्म करी उसके बाद मैं खुद वेस्ट दिल्ली का नेशनल प्रेस काउंसिल का प्रेसिडेंट रहा कुछ टाइम, और फिर मैंने अपना खुद का प्रोडक्शन हाउस स्टार्ट करा, और इसकी शुरुआत कॉलेज से ही हो गई थी। कॉलेज में शॉर्टेड ड्रामेटिक सोसाइटी जो हमारी थिएटर सोसाइटी है, मैं उसका संस्थापक रहा। तो ये खासियत थी हमारे कॉलेज की कि वो स्टूडेंट्स को इतनी एक स्पेस देते हैं, एक क्रिएटिव लिबर्टी देते हैं कि स्टूडेंट्स जो भी करना चाहे वो कर सकते हैं, चाहे छोटे छोटे प्रोजेक्ट्स हों कॉलेज के या फिर पूरा एक थिएटर सोसाइटी बनाना। उन सारी चीज़ों की वजह से जो मेरे को हमारे कॉलेज ने प्रोवाइड कराया, उसकी वजह से मैं अपना करियर आज इतना अच्छा बना पाया। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you so much, Mr. Arunash Shokeen. We will continue now with the session ahead. I would request Mr. Sahil and Ms. Bhavna, Chief Coordinators at BAGMC Department, to enlighten the students on the professional courses after 12th, opportunities and pathways.
Welcome to the webinar on professional courses after 12th, opportunities and pathways. Now, let's take a look on career prospects in media industry.
First of all, let's talk about why BAJMC. There are 902 private television channels, 369 private radio channels, film industry churning approximately 2,500 films pan-India. There are more than 40 OTT platforms in India with a worth of 35 billion rupees. Media industry is growing at an exponential rate of 10% per year, and according to the data of 2019, it stands on a revenue generation of 1.82 trillion rupees.
If we talk about the highlights of the BAJMC course, it is an undergraduate degree that is a mix of both theory and practical. The course curriculum is well balanced and provides training in different fields like print journalism, television and radio production, advertising, public relations, event management, social media, and even film studies. Here you will attain skills like image building as well as different styles of writing and editing. Also, you will learn the various layout softwares and both audio-video editing techniques. The focus of this program is to make you responsible media professionals with industry-level skills using the latest equipments, trained faculty, and state-of-art infrastructure.
These are some of the highlights of the syllabus and the subjects that you will be taught: sports journalism, radio production, print journalism, television journalism, public relations, advertising, corporate communication, media laws, event management, TV production, photography, and film appreciation.
If we talk about the future prospects, you can become a photographer, television actor, radio jockey, television anchor, graphic designer, film director, television correspondent, writer, advertising professional, and a lot more.
Now let me tell you why Trinity. Proximity. It is just walking distance from the metro station of Dwarka Sector 9 and Sector 10. Infrastructure. TIPS provides you with the latest equipments as per the industry standards. We have different labs for audio, visual, and post-production. We also have 15 iMacs for editing purposes and a different computer lab for designing. Also, we use smart boards for teaching and presentation purposes. And this is not all. We also have a proper TV studio setup with chroma setup as well. Industry Connect. TIPS organize workshops and guest lectures on a regular basis where experts from the industry come in to provide a better understanding as per the field. Placements. Students are placed in best organizations like ABP News, Zee News, Republic Bharat, and a lot more. Faculty. The faculty is well experienced not only in academics but also industry.
Now let's look at the infrastructure available to you. Audio video studio with 3 setups including chroma for better exposure. Audio studio to record radio dramas, commercial, etc. Post-production lab to do the editing work with Dell system as well as IMAX.
These are some of the latest events that happened during the past year. Lecture series, a 4-day lecture series organized online. eCafe, a virtual event of 4 days organized by the students under the subject Event Management. Industrial visit. Students of BAJMC visited Doordarshan for an event and participated in the discussion as well. Orientation Day, which was done for the freshers last year. Virtual visit to Red FM. RJ Abbas Haider gave a virtual tour of Red FM and elaborated upon the working of the radio production. Mock press conference. It was done by the students under the subject Public Relations, where they did a launch of a movie trailer.
If we talk about the Industry Connect, these are the people who recently came in either online or offline mode. Mr. Shubhendu Ghosh, anchor DD News and DD India. Mr. Abbas Haider, radio jockey 93.5 Red FM. Mr. Pradeep Menon, photography expert, Amazon Dubai. Mr. Vivek Asri, filmmaker and poet. Mr. Alok Singh Sharma, senior sub-editor, Jagran Media. Mr. Ananya Bhatnagar, legal correspondent, Republic TV. This is Simranjeet Kaur Renu, batch 2016-19, who was a gold medalist in the university in BHMC course. She was an outstanding student who was active during the classes as well as the events.
Now let's look at some of the alumni of BAJMC. Ms. Priyanka Sharma, anchor Z News. Ms. Mallika Malhotra, anchor ABP News. Mr. Atishay, RJ Red FM. Mr. Shivam Saxena, senior photographer HT. And Mr. Shrek Khanna of team MJ5, who performed in America's Got Talent.
We also organize Celebrity Talk series where celebrities from the industry also come in and interact with the students. This is Flora Sani, fame of Stree, and Miss Laila Panda, who is an actor and a producer itself. Recently, actress Tanu Vidyarthi also came in for a trailer launch. She has also worked in the recent web series Maharani. Unmad, annual cultural festival which is also organized by students of BAJMC under the subject Event Management. The last fest also saw Ashok Masti, famous Punjabi pop singer, and RJ Rahul Maken.
For any queries regarding admissions, you can contact our admission counselor Ms. Sagrika Uppal. You can also take a screenshot of this slide for the phone number and email ID. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am, for your valuable inputs. I would request Mr. Ajay to please share the video for the department. Thank you, sir. Dear students, we have again shared a link with you in the chat box. Do participate in the quiz to take home a prize. I would now request Mr. Harimohan Jain, sir, the admission convener, to please briefly explain the CET details to our participants. There is a student, he wants to know the process of online counseling of GGSIPU University for BA GMC program.
Thank you, ma'am. I will explain this step by step. And this process is not only for BGMC. In fact, it is applicable to all the courses of GGSIPU. First step is to register for online university counseling on ipuadmissions.nic.in, through which candidate will be given login ID and password to participate in online counseling of GGSIPU. Then second step is choice filling. Student can fill choices of colleges as per their preference, and it is suggested to fill the maximum colleges. Then third step is the result of first round. University declare the result of first round of online counseling on the basis of CET rank and the choice filled by the candidates. Applicant can see the result through their login ID. The next step is academic fees of 40,000. It is required to pay path academic fees of 40,000 by the candidate to IPU through online mode for the confirmation of allotted seat or to participate in further round of counseling. The next step is seat freeze. If the applicant is satisfied, he can freeze their allotted seat by the freeze option given in their login ID. The next step is reporting to the college. Once the seat is freezed, candidate is required to report to the college as per the date of reporting and pay balance college fees as well. And at the same time, applicant have to complete the documentation process in the college. And if the applicant is not being allotted any seat or not satisfied with the allotted seat, he can participate in further round of counseling in the similar manner. Thank you, ma'am.
Sir, we have one more question. The student wants to know what is the syllabus of CET examination for BA GMC program.
Okay, ma'am. Syllabus of CET for BGMC is divided into 4 sections. First is English language and comprehension, and it is of 25% weightage. Second is general awareness. It is also of 25% weightage. Third is reasoning, which is also 25% weightage. And last is media aptitude. It is also 25% weightage. That is the syllabus.
And sir, one of the students wants to know what is the pattern of the CET exam, and will there be any negative marking in the CET examination of GGSIPU?
Ma'am, CET exam will contain 100 objective type questions for all CET based program, and each answer will be provided with 4 alternatives. Total weightage of the test paper is 400 marks, and each correct answer will carry weightage of 4 marks. There will be negative marking for incorrect answers, and 1 marks will be deducted for each incorrect answer. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Harimohan sir. Students, you can please fill the feedback form for the session. The link is again in the chat box. At Trinity, we have a dedicated team for training and placements, which ensure that the students secure placement in their dream company and acquire the skills and attributes to build a global career. Furthermore, at the end of every academic year, our students pursue internships to gain some practical hands-on experience to keep pace with real-world company assignments, which extend a vast learning experience to make students work-ready. TIPS has a strong corporate alliance, which gives students an advantage through expert guest lectures, industrial visits, to explore new avenues during their academic journey. TIPS students have constantly served reputed organizations like HCL, IBM, Wipro, Accenture, Tata, Airtel, Infosys, etc. TIPS placement coordinator also guides students in their career planning, resume writing, and preparations for their selection test and final placements. TIPS is one of the best placement institute in Delhi, NCR, especially in West Delhi, for placements, as around 102 companies have visited our campus in 2017-18. We had 161 companies visiting TIPS before the pandemic, and 153 companies visited our campus during the COVID-19 pandemic. Let us welcome our placement in charge, Mr. Tapanshu. He will now enrich our participants about the placement activities at Trinity Institute of Professional Studies.
Thank you so much, Sarleen ma'am. Good afternoon to one and all. Hi, I'm Tapanshu. Currently, I'm the placement coordinator of Trinity Placement Cell. In today's practical world, mere theoretical education is not enough to excel in any field. Practical exposure through industry training is the vital part of any educational degree. That's where the role of placement cell of any institution becomes crucial to provide students with internships and job opportunities. Today, I'm going to tell you about how we work here at Trinity Institute of Professional Studies to provide our students the best opportunities which helps them to be industry ready. So let me introduce you to our qualified and efficient team. Ms. Tanya, BBA Department, Ms. Neha Agarwal, BCA Department, Ms. Ritika Kapoor, BCA Department, Ms. Priyanka Saluja, BBA Department, Ms. Chahat Abral, BA LLB Department, Ms. Sagarika Uppal, BAJMC Department, and Ms. Sonakshi, BA LLB Department. So at Trinity Placement Cell, we organize various activities which not only help students to build confidence and communication skills, but also give them a chance to prove themselves in job interviews. So like corporate mentorship program, here students get to meet various corporate experts who help them understand the intricacies of corporate world. Industrial visits, students are taken to field and shown how big companies work in various streams. Guest lectures, experience of industry professionals help students understand the future prospects of their respective streams. Placement drives, here students get a chance to grab a job opportunity in one of the most prolific MNCs like Wipro, Amazon, Infosys, etc. In-house sessions, here in-house experts and faculties work with students to enhance their soft skills and prepare them for upcoming challenges of the field. As we all know, in year 2020, a global pandemic hit all of us pretty badly. And all the world economies, markets are still trying to work their way out of it. In such circumstances, providing students with more opportunities became our foremost priority. And as you can see, neither we or our students let ourselves down. In comparison to pre-COVID era, we were successful in bringing the same number of companies and also more internships in post-COVID times. Let me show you the glimpse of steps we took in these post-COVID times for providing the best opportunities to our students. HR Conclave, in association with HR Shapers, it was organized online where eminent speakers from corporate world elaborated on various emerging challenges during COVID time. Digital Marketing Workshop, it is to provide students an exposure of newly found job streams in the digital world. Resume building session, to understand that how students can make themselves stand out in the crowd while applying for any job. Webinar on higher education opportunities in abroad. It provided information for students who want to study abroad after completing their graduation. Online placement drive. Such online initiatives in association with companies like Wipro provided students job opportunities sitting at their home. Our work has been more rigorous in pre-COVID years also. Here is a glimpse of various in-house sessions like how to crack GD, how to crack interview, mock interview, psychometric test, database management test, and how to counter stage fear. These are some industrial visits done by our students at biggest of the organizations like SEBI, Yakult, Mother Dairy, etc. Here is a sneak peek into some of the offline sessions we organized previously, like life skill sessions, guest lectures, corporate mentorship programs. Now let's take a look at some of the recent placements of our students. Our students managed to grab positions in companies like Byju's, Wipro, Infosys, Perfect Relations, TCS, Planet Spark, even during these COVID times. So let's hear from one of our students from BCom who grabbed recently rupee 10 lakh per annum package. So I would ask Ajay sir to just play it.
Hi, my name is Mohit Sharma. I'm a student of Trinity Institute of Professional Studies, batch 2018 and 21, BCom honors student. Recently, I got selected in BYJU'S, a package of rupees 10 lakh per annum. I would like to thank our chairman, Dr. R.K. Tandon, our director, Dr. Bertha Behel, our chief coordinator, Dr. P.K. Nayak, and all our faculty members. They help me in every situation. They always motivate me. Wherever I feel like being motivated, they always help me and they always just cheer me up, okay, you can do it. And I think Trinity Institute is the best college in IP University. They always help their student in every situation. They always motivate them, and I'm very happy and I'm very grateful to be a student of Trinity Institute of Professional Studies.
Thank you, Ajay sir. So, sorry. So you heard how Trinity helped him in preparing for his current position over the years. In preparing students for their career, our collaborations with various industry leaders also helps us. Like IMS for CAT preparation, DuCAT for digital marketing courses, ICT Academy, Oracle, and AWS Educate for various training courses, SIEC Education, Concept Research for summer internships, T-Series Stageworks for acting and filmmaking courses. These are some of the major recruiters we have. You can see it here. The likes of Amazon, Red FM, Paytm, British Telecom, ABP News, Z Media, IBM, Genpact, TCS, Infosys, PNB. All of these companies have hired our students and they never regret it. So this is all from my side. This is what I wanted to share, that how our placement and internship network work here at Trinity. So have a good day. Thank you very much.